So hello guys, today I have brought my video of guns and this video is going to be too interesting, and my name is Tanmay Srivastava. So you can see this dirtiness. So tomorrow is 15 August, the Independence Day. That's why I have colored my hand of Indian color, and I have written 1947 because we got freedom 15 August tomorrow. So see, so you can see, and I am little bit naughty. I have done on my face also, but I have just rub it. See, but my ears are also orange till now. I am a bit naughty. So let's start. So I have brought many guns for you. So I have 3 mini guns. See, 2 and 3. One is of Diwali, and one is of Nerf air shot. I did a mistake, so sorry. So you have to pull it like this and then shoot it. So did you see it? I have colored it because I told you that I am a bit naughty, and I am improving my English in few days, so I can make a next video in very nice English. So this is also a Diwali gun. So you have to pull this. So this will be opened and you can see a revolver. So you have to put the patakas in it, which bullet it comes. So you have to put it, then see the circle and then move it and then put, and see it's ready. So you are ready to shoot. You can shoot it like this also and this also. There are 2 ways. So next gun, it's little bit broken. As I told you, I am naughty, and I have not put batteries, but you can put batteries and see. And it has a Ben 10 gun, and if you will press this, then Ben 10's light come, but I have broke it, so I am naughty, as I told you first also. So it's for fashion, this scope, but there is nothing. It is for light, but I have removed the light. This is police gun of batteries. So it don't move as you are thinking that it will move. No, but there is a stability. So you can you can hold it very nicely, and it works with 3 batteries. You are thinking why 3? 1 here hold, then you have to put, and 2 here. So let's keep it aside. And this is my Elite gun. Elite. I have colored it, written police, because I like police and armies. So that's why also I have done this all. That was my school activity. So I have made a flagged also. Tomorrow I am going to talk about it. So be ready for it. So you have to pull it, and this was broken, so I recovered it with sellotapes because I covered too much and put stapled with stapler, and this is jointed now, so I can do it like this, and it can happen because it handle was only broken to reload. So now you have to shoot it. You can keep 3 bullets inside, 2 here and 1 here. And I forgot to tell you that you can keep 1 bullet here and 1 bullet here. So let's go to the next gun. What is it? Let's see. Access Strike series. So I have just painted here because I have painted on my hand, but it is washed now. So it is little bit red. So you can see. So that's why when I holded it with the colors came on it. So it was very interesting. So yeah, it is the different way to reload this Access Strike series Nerf guns. So you have to pull it like this, and when you pull it, then you have to put bullet inside this, then go ahead, then your gun is ready to shoot, and it also holds 2 bullets under. So let's go to next gun. And it has a scope also, but it's not a scope. We can say it difficult. We can say it a shooter. I think so. You can say your thing because I like this name only. This is a nice stability of here, so you can hold it like this or else this also. I like this way, so you can hold it, and you are thinking there is two things here to put scope, but it's not putting scope because if you will put scope then it will not fit, because if you will take it back the scope can broke with this. It is higher grade, but it will go ahead, then it will go too much ahead and it will touch this, and when you will see then this will come in the middle and you can't see, so there is no. And this is for sticking this a screw, you can see here, that's why, not for putting scope. So this, so pull it, and so I will just keep it aside. And this is my super shotgun, you can say it. So you have to I don't have this bullets because I lost it down. As I am saying, I am naughty and be careless, not that much but a less. So I have many bullets, but it's not time to show you the bullets. I will show you. I have shown in last video also the bullets. I have make many videos, and if you have come new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and like and press the bell icon. So we are talking about this. So you are thinking this is for scope, but not all like scopes, but some not like scopes. So you have to put a ball from here and reload it, then you have to shoot it. I don't have a ball now, this much small ball, so that's why I can't. And it has a keeper also here, means for nice stability, so you can use that if you have. I don't have, so I am not using that. So this is gun. So if you liked it, then please give a like, and especially give a like for this because it's a specialist gun for me. And if you like the guns, so please comment and tell. I will bring new videos for you. So, and I forgot to tell you, it has a different design down like this, and this one has a different. It has a simple circle, but it's a nice stability because you can see there is this, then you got a nice stability. Or you can go like this also, however you do. So I reload like this, sometimes I do like this, or else if it don't have scope, but I have put a stick here, but now I have removed it. Like this I have put it, and I have just seen it and doing it. And it has already a type of scope, so we don't need to put. So you can shoot. It is a nice gun. You can buy it from Amazon. So see, I have painted it. This you will not got in Amazon because I have not purchased it from Amazon. My Bua gave it, and I like this gun, and it has something more else, and I will show you that in next video. And see how much I painted to my t-shirt also. Especially this is a white color, so it will take time to go. So if you like, if you like the guns, then please give a comment and subscribe and like, and please press the bell icon. And till that, bye, and I will bring new videos for you. So till that, bye, and bye guys, bye.